This Vista Sotheby's International Realty property video is presented by Michael Majid. Live the Pentridge Cove lifestyle where lush landscaping, flowing streams, peacefulness, and natural beauty takes center stage. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom upper unit condo offers a split-level floor plan with stunning views of the water features throughout the complex, creating a soothing soundtrack. Nestled far from the street in a private location, 3019 Croyden Bay includes dramatic vaulted ceilings, large glass windows allowing voluminous amounts of natural lighting to spill into the living area, new plush carpeting, new heater, AC, ceiling fans throughout, beautiful and spacious main suite, upgraded kitchen and bathrooms, a stackable washer and dryer inside the unit, and a large 2-car garage with room for storage are just a few of the many reasons you will fall in love with your new home. The open concept is perfect for entertaining, and the deck is a wonderful place to relax, barbecue, or just unwind, while the cozy fireplace anchors the entire living space. The association complex includes a beautiful pool and spa area to round out the amenities. Enjoy easy access to the 405/55/73 freeways, a quick drive to the sandy beaches of Newport Beach, walk to the camp and lab for restaurants, shops and entertainment. Close to South Coast Plaza, world-class shops, and dining, Segerstrom Center for the Arts, John Wayne Airport, and more. Don't miss this one. It is a must-see. For more information, review